sa Kapitan Bago, naging adik-adik.
Jonathan.
Okay. I died just when I don't break, Jose Rizal. 73. Who wrote the book Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas? Ang sagot ay si Antonio Morga. 74. According to Rizal, which can never be effaced, once it has entered the heart, because it carries in itself the divine stamp that makes it eternal and imperishable. Ang sagot ay Love of Country. Anong Spanish title nito? El Amor Patrio. Correct. El Amor Patrio. At ito ay nilathala sa anong pahayagan?
Ano?
Anong solidaridad? Hindi Ito ay inilathala sa isang pahayagan na Diaryong Tagalog. Anong ginamit ang sagisag panulat sa El Amor Patrio? Laong Laan.
Okay, gats. Sorry po. Laong laan. Gats you guys.
Basa.
His essay.
His essay, Love of Country, which he wrote in June 1882, but appeared in the newspaper Diaryong Tagalog when he was already in Spain when he was 21 years old. In it, he talks of love of country, which is never effaced once it has penetrated the heart, because it carries with it a divine stamp. Love, 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 love. So, saan siya pinablish? Sa Diaryong Tagalog. El Amor Patrio. Okay, next. 75. The line you beat me now to strike the lyre that mute so long has lain are taken from Rizal's. They ask me for verses. The lines, the plant I am that scarcely grown was torn from eastern bed, where all around perfume is shed and life but a dream is known. Comes from Rizal's poem. They ask me for verses pa rin. Kung pa rin yan galing.
What?
Okay. 77. Through his brother Pasiano, the young Rizal learned the meaning of injustice when? Letter A. The tragic martyrdom of three priests took place. 78. Rizal said, there are no tyrants when there are no slaves, which logically explain this. Tingnan natin ang 3. The Spaniards were tyrant and so they treated the Filipinos as slaves. Hindi yan. Wrong na yan. Number 1, if the Filipinos were treated as slaves by the Spaniards, it was because they allowed themselves to be treated as such. Yes. It was equally the fault of the Filipino why the Spaniards treated them as slaves. Yes. Kaya 1 and 2. Okay. Rizal focused the La Liga Filipina to unite the whole country. Yes. Fight violence and injustice? Yes. Revolt against the Spaniards? No. Kaya 1 and 2. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Ayan yung La Liga Filipina.